Alright, so today we're unboxing something that I am really excited about. This ready-to-go wall calendar from Well Planned Gal. If you're a busy family, a homeschooler, a homemaker, or just trying to keep life organized, this might be a game changer. Let's open it up and see if it's actually worth it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alithabel and I am a homeschooling mom to four. Two of those I am currently homeschooling. I have a almost 11-year-old and a 9-year-old and also twin toddlers. Talking of twins, they are both awake. They are playing, so you will hear noises because they are currently playing. Okay, so I am going to open the box and I am going to give my real and honest review. I like the packaging. It feels sturdy and not flimsy, and they really secure it, guys. So it comes with pens and a holder. Pretty colors. The colors are actually softer and warmer in person than on the website, and I love the holder. Let's open it. Peel and plan. Well, something fell. Oh, so this is I think this is a double-sided tape. Okay. I am planning to put this on the side of our fridge. I think we have a room. So there are 12 pens and this one okay, I need scissors. Ooh, I love the bees theme. It's very subtle but still fun. Look at that. Save these sheets to store your peel and plan. This one has a texture. So after you remove these and put it on the wall, you can store this. Do not throw it away because you can actually put it back here and then, you know, like if you move. I love that texture. It's not paper. I don't know what it's made of. Let me see. This product only works with Well Planned Gal's peel and stick markers. This one. Any other writing instruments will not wipe off. Oh, okay. So peel and stick. Peel from backing and stick to any surface. Write and wipe. You can use a damp cloth. Peel and reuse. This is perfect because I think we are moving soon. So that's perfect. Peel from surface and restick to use over and over again. And how perfect is that? I will show you later once it's on the... What? She sent me a planner. Okay guys, they actually sent this to me. I didn't even know. Oh, so someone from Well Planned Gal reached out to me if I want to promote any of their products, and I wanted a planner, but our homeschool that runs from January to October. So I pick a different item. So I picked the wall calendar. And she sent me a planner too. And I love the color. Oh my goodness. And I think this is a report card. Oh, very generous. I love this, guys. There's a shopping list. So there's summer bucket list, vacation plans, year-end review here, grade log. So these are the months. Each month has a different color scheme. It's so pretty, right? If you love colors, you will fall in love with this planner. Oh! And this one, I have not seen this before, actually. So this is a report card. A report card. Oh. So there's the name of your student, grade, teacher, and then school year, and these are the subjects here: academics, attendance. There's a book log, literature completed, enrichment events. I love this. Look at that. It's so pretty. There are 4 of them. Okay, my plan is I will stick that wall calendar in here. I think this is the right place for that wall calendar. It's next to the door, so everyone can see it. So I am going to stick this wall calendar, so pretty, here. With this wall calendar, and it says to keep this just in case you move the calendar to a different place, so it's reusable and restickable. Is that a word? Bonk. So I need to know what kind of material this is. The texture is that of a tarpaulin, and that's my wall calendar. Let's look at how it's laid out. So you've got the month at the top, and then a clean weekly grid that's really easy to read. It has a family-friendly design. This is clearly designed with families in mind. There's plenty of space to write appointments, homeschool plans, church events, and everything else that happens in a normal week. So this is so perfect. I am glad I picked this one. I also appreciate that it's functional without looking boring. Look at the bee design, guys. It's decorative enough to leave on your wall, but not so busy that it distracts from actually using it. So let's do a test. First, I have to put the pens. I have a big mess here. So this is the pen holder, and this is a double-sided tape. So let's put it on. going on, but it's so difficult to remove the other side of this double-sided tape. I mean the backing. I cannot for the life of me take it out. This is the double-sided tape that they sent me, and this goes to the wall, and the other side you have to remove this film, and it's just messed up. So I know I have a tape, double-sided tape somewhere. I think that's what I'm gonna use, because this is not, look, oh, it's not working, guys. But anyways, that is easy to replace. So let me grab my double-sided tape. I know I have leftovers from Christmas. That's perfect. Okay, my son brought it. So this is the double-sided tape. I will cut 2 inches. Okay. So let's put it here, lower actually. Okay, that's it. So that's the double-sided tape. I'm just gonna put it like this one. I think it should be middle, right? So that there's balance. Put a little pressure in there. I have to put the pens. For now, I will just put all 12 pens in there, and it's perfect. So let's try writing on our wall calendar. Like the way I wrote Jan, so I have to erase it using this damp cloth. It's easy. Today is January. Today is Thursday, January 29th. Okay. So tomorrow is the 30th. January has 31 days. Can't believe it's gonna be February soon. So I don't think I like red on orange. So let's try a different color, because red on orange is not visible. So I will just put a different date and month. Okay, that's better. So this is February the 1st. So yeah, this actually makes our week feel more manageable just by looking at it, because it's big. The days, the squares are big. What I really like about this calendar, it's big and readable. It's designed for real families, not just aesthetics. The layout is simple and intuitive. It feels durable and high quality. The only problem I have is that double-sided tape that didn't stick. It's just a minor cons, but overall, I think it does exactly what it's supposed to do. This is especially great for busy families, homeschool parents, people who like visual planning, anyone tired of juggling 5 different digital calendars. I use my phone calendar. Babies are crying. Alright, final verdict. I actually really like this. It's simple, practical and genuinely useful, not just another pretty planner that never gets used. If you're trying to bring more structure and clarity to your family schedule, this is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this unboxing, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. We're going to be reviewing more homeschool tools, family organization systems, and practical resources like this. And if you want, I'll drop the link to this calendar in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!